Begin by buttering a 9 by 5 inch loaf pan liberally with 1 to 2 tablespoons of softened butter. To a mixing bowl, add 250 grams of water, 150 grams of active starter. It should float in water. 15 grams of honey, and 5 grams of salt. Last, add 300 grams of flour. All-purpose flour is perfect for this recipe. Mix well. The volume measurements for this recipe are in the description if desired. Transfer the mixture to your buttered loaf pan and smooth out the top. It should fill the loaf pan exactly halfway. Top with 1 tablespoon of melted butter. Cover and let the dough rest until the mixture reaches the top of the loaf pan. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the batter bread for 30 minutes until the internal temperature registers approximately 200 degrees Fahrenheit. And that's it! A recipe for success for the beginner sourdough baker. This loaf is incredibly moist with a clear, sour flavor. This is a great recipe to try with new starter, as you will know by how it rises if the starter is ready for more advanced projects. Enjoy! Thanks so much for watching. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more.